I'm sure references all want to say the nicest things possible. One question is, would you work with them again? And someone could say they did a great job, they did a great job, they did this, this, this. And then you ask them, would you work with them again? And they might say, no. And then obviously you ask why. I've come to people's homes and they had a beautiful kitchen remodel. I said, this is wonderful, who did this? And they said, this name of this company. I'm like, oh, I know them. Why are they not here right now? And they might say, well, the work was great, but X, or the experience was this, or the communication was this, or at the end of the day, I felt like I overpaid. While somebody might be very happy with the outcome, asking if they would work with that company again can actually be even more telling. Another version of that is, would you refer them to family and friends? And then sit back and listen, see what they have to say. And if the answer isn't, hell yeah. If the answer isn't, of course, absolutely, then you might dig in a little more and find out why.